You can make this easy Christmas DIY using those Jenga blocks from Dollar Tree. I have this scrap piece of wood. I think it was like from some scallops or something. It came in a pack, but you can use just regular scrap wood. Dollar Tree has the little planks and stuff that you can use to put for the base. You can use something else, or you can do it without a base because they will stand up by themselves. But I'm just going to take the Jenga blocks and you're going to do it as big as you want. You can start out at the top, just making a little peak, and then going in and keep on going down. Once you get to the base of how big you want it to be. You can spread them out, you can push them in, and then you'll just put a base of the Jenga blocks there just to keep it together. And then I'm just using hot glue. You could use wood glue, you could use a combination of it, and then I'm going to glue them together. I'm gluing the bottom ones on an angle, so you'll probably have to hold it in place just until everything dries nice. But mine did fine. I just pushed them together and laid it flat. A little bit of glue to get on the table, but this table is easy on glue. So I was able to just adjust it. And then I adjusted it as I was gluing it too, so that it didn't stay solid. So I just went up to the top. And then once I got to the top, you can see it's kind of separated, but you can just push them together and then glue that. So you can adjust these to be different sizes, different shapes. I made two different size ones for mine. You can make a bunch and make a whole little scene. You can add some snowmen to it. It could be super cute. So this is how that one looks. And then I made another one. And then now I have two. I made them different sizes so that it can look like, I've seen these pieces in like stores and stuff. So it can look like that. I painted one red and I painted one white. I painted the base white too. I painted around all the edges. I didn't worry about the bottom because you're not going to see that. For the trees, I painted around the front, the back, all the pieces except for the bottom. You can do it kind of a two-tone look because you see the wood looks nice in there. So you can just like paint just the front and then have the wood on the side and then the inside, or you can paint the fronts and the sides and have the wood peeking out. You can do it a bunch of different ways. You can paint it in different colors to fit in with your scheme for the season. I have these little straw-like bows left over from something else from Dollar Tree that I popped off. So I'm just going to add some little ribbon detail to it. So I'm just making like a little rag ribbon bow. I forgot what you call it. But I just stacked up different pieces of ribbon and then I'm just tying them together with twine. And then I went around a few times and tied it a few more times and then cut off the tail of that. And then once I was done, I just stacked them together. So I just glued it to that little straw bow that was there. I was trying to find the right direction for it to go. And then I glued those also onto the top of the trees. You can hang little bells. Dollar Tree has like a pack of little bell ornaments. You can hang those in there. You can do a bunch of cute little different things. You can decorate this with florals. You can do so many different things. But I glued the trees onto the base. I glued one in the front, one in the back, and then I added the little bows. And that was really it. It is so simple, so easy. And like I said, you can customize this in so many different ways. So if you like, give it a big old thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.